Now we're going to solve the third Roman letters last sum, which is fourth one. Third example is fourth sum. Question is cos A into cot A divided by 1 minus sin A, which is equal to 1 plus cosecant A. This is what the answer is. We need to prove. Okay. Here first I am going to take LHS. LHS, which is equal to cos A into cot A divided by 1 minus sin A. Okay. So according to the question, you need to solve the answer. Okay, we can use any formula. Okay, there is cos formula, there is cot formula, there is 1 by sin formula, but every formula is there. You need to use where you need to use which formula. When you use that formula, you could get the answer or not. Okay, based on that only you need to approach the questions. Okay, here you need to prove is this. Okay, cosecant you need to prove. So don't solve the cos. Keep cos as it is. Try to solve cot. Okay, you can just imagine that cot theta formula. What is cot theta formula? Cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta. You can automatically imagine that there is a cos. If you substitute a formula for cot, there is also a cos. Then you will be getting cos A into cos A. Something you're gonna get. Okay, right? You can just imagine itself. So now I'm going to do that only. Okay, keeping cos A as it is. Okay, just putting instead of cot A, cos A by sin A. Okay, denominator will remain as it is, 1 minus sin A. And now it was in a somehow fraction, right? Mixed fraction. So we need to make it in a proper fraction. So the sin A will comes to the down. So cos A into cos A divided by sin A will comes to the down, and this 1 minus sin A will remain as it is. Okay, this was the third step. Cos square A divided by sin A into 1 minus sin A. Okay, so cos A into cos A is cos square A. So cos square A divided by sin A into 1 minus sin A. We know that whenever you see cos square theta or sin square theta, just imagine the formula of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, then cos square theta, which is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, right? So instead of cos square A, we're going to use 1 minus sin square A. So 1 minus sin square A divided by sin A into 1 minus sin A will remain as it is. Denominator will remain as it is. Now seeing this, I have told you in the before sum itself. If you didn't watch it, go and watch it. Okay, first the before sum of this. The same methodology. Whenever you see 1 minus something over there, anything square value or any cube value over there, you can just imagine as it is. Like if whether there is 1 minus 2 square, here also you can imagine the square, because 1 square, 1 cube, 1 power 4 anything, it's going to be the value is 1 only, right? So we can imagine the power of 1 based on the second value, which is nearby the 1. Okay, so instead of taking there is sin square, okay, the second value is having the power of square value, then you can imagine 1 is also having the square value, so that you can substitute somehow formula over it, like a square minus b square formula, right? So we have converted it to a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, right? This was the formula. So we can write 1 minus sin square A as a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b, like 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. The denominator will remain as it is, like sin A into 1 minus sin A. Okay, before cancelling the similar values, you need to check every values was in the multiplication only. Okay, yeah, every value is in the multiplication, then you can cancel the similar values. Okay, then write the remaining one. 1 plus sin A divided by sin A. So I am now writing it by splitting the denominator to the 1 and sin A, like 1 by sin A into sin A by sin A. I am just splitting the denominator according to the numerator. Okay, then sin A gets cancelled, it will be 1. 1 by sin A, what is the formula? 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin A, which means 1 by sin theta. What is the formula for 1 by sin theta? 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. So instead of 1 by sin A, you can use cosecant A. So cosecant A multiplied by sin A gets cancelled, it will be 1. Okay, here there will be plus, because here it is plus, right? So we are just splitting the denominator to 1 and sin A, so there will be remaining plus, so it will be cosecant A plus 1. We can also write this as 1 plus cosecant A also, right? Now check, we have proved the RHS. Yeah, the RHS is 1 plus cosecant A. So the thing which we have proved is right, so hence proved. Okay, this was the fourth sum. Third sum's last remaining letter.